Istanbul, Turkey. According to the latest report by Bitmart Research, covering the period from December 16th to December 22nd, 2024, PiCoin has surged to the top spot as the most trending cryptocurrency in Turkey. This remarkable achievement underscores the growing influence and widespread appeal of PiNetwork in one of the world's most vibrant cryptocurrency markets. Community engagement. A robust and passionate user base actively advocates for the network. Accessibility. PiNetwork's unique mining model allows users to participate directly through their smartphones, making cryptocurrency more inclusive. Local relevance. Turkish users increasingly recognize the potential benefits of PiNetwork in terms of financial empowerment and global connectivity. A testament to community trust. The dominance of PiCoin in Turkey is more than just a fleeting trend. It is a powerful reflection of the confidence and enthusiasm within its expanding community. As cryptocurrency adoption accelerates globally, PiNetwork has carved out a significant niche, with its user-centric approach and promise of innovation resonating strongly among Turkish crypto enthusiasts. Turkey, a strategic stronghold. Turkey has long been recognized as a key player in the global cryptocurrency landscape. With a tech-savvy population and high inflation rates driving interest in decentralized financial systems, the country has become a hotbed for crypto adoption. PiCoin's newfound prominence in Turkey not only highlights its growing popularity, but also solidifies PiNetwork's position as a project to watch. The ability to attract and sustain user interest in such a competitive market speaks volumes about its potential for broader adoption. Preparing for the open network phase. This milestone comes at a pivotal time for PiNetwork as it inches closer to launching its much-anticipated open network phase. As the project transitions from a largely closed ecosystem to a fully operational blockchain, the strong traction in markets like Turkey serves as a springboard for future growth key drivers behind PiCoin's success. Several factors have contributed to PiCoin's meteoric rise in Turkey. Community engagement. A robust and passionate user base actively advocating for the network. Accessibility. A unique mining model that allows users to participate directly through their smartphones, making cryptocurrency more inclusive. Local relevance. A growing understanding among Turkish users of the potential benefits that PiNetwork offers in terms of financial empowerment and global connectivity. Looking ahead. As PiNetwork prepares for the next phase of its development, its success in Turkey offers a glimpse into the project's broader trajectory. With over 47 million active users worldwide, PiNetwork is poised to challenge traditional perceptions of cryptocurrency and bring blockchain technology closer to the mainstream. The road ahead is undoubtedly ambitious, but milestones like these reinforce PiNetwork's standing as a key player in the future of decentralized finance. PiCoin's growing popularity in Turkey is not just a testament to its potential, it's a clear signal that the global crypto landscape is evolving. Commented a Bitmart analyst. The PiNetwork community is proving that innovation, accessibility, and trust are the cornerstones of tomorrow's blockchain success stories. Turkey's tech-savvy population and high inflation rates have driven interest in decentralized financial systems, making the country a significant player in the global cryptocurrency landscape. PiCoin's prominence in this market underscores its potential for broader adoption as PiNetwork prepares to launch its anticipated open network phase. This achievement reflects the confidence and enthusiasm within PiNetwork's expanding community and positions it as a project to watch in the evolving crypto landscape. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share